Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to check oil level Volvo S60 Easy Guide. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, warm the engine briefly, then turn it off and wait 5 minutes. Open the hood, locate the dipstick, pull it out, wipe clean, reinsert fully, then pull it again to read the level between the min and max marks. Add oil slowly if below the lower mark. Check your owner manual or door placard for the correct oil grade and viscosity, which ensures proper engine protection. Use a clean funnel to add oil in small increments, typically 0, 25 to 0, 5L at a time, then recheck the dipstick. Avoid overfilling and inspect under the car for drips or wet spots that suggest a leak or loose drain plug. If uncertain, consult a technician or your dealer for clarification. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice that you see here for a fresh cabin scent. I find it makes routine maintenance more pleasant and keeps odors away. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Avoid common mistakes that give false readings or harm the engine. Never check on a slope or with a heavily hot or completely cold engine, as readings can be wrong. Do not overfill and avoid mixing oil types unless approved. Replace the dipstick fully and seat the cap before driving. If you find metal particles, burnt smell, or rapid oil loss, stop driving and have the car inspected. Regular checks keep your Volvo running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.